Right. So, formally welcoming all of you to this session, the online training session on understanding AI. This is the second of its kind, the second session that we are having, which talks about understanding AI. Today, it's all about artificial intelligence everywhere. We keep hearing it day in and day out. So, it's important for us to know what exactly AI is, and some of it I've covered in the first session, the recording of which is available on our YouTube channel, Acumen Today YouTube channel. The same channel will have the recording of today's session as well. So welcome to this session, wherein we will not only learn basics of AI, but also look at some applications wherein artificial intelligence can help us better in assisting us, in helping us to be more effective and to be more productive. All right, so that is what we're going to talk about today. All right. Yes, so artificial intelligence in education. It's all about how we empower the educators. Unless and until we don't empower the educators, we will not be able to empower the next generation. The next generation is basically the students. And if we don't empower our students, who are our future, we will be failing in our duties. And with the Gen Z and the millennials, they are fast picking up on using artificial intelligence for various different purposes. We'll take a look at all of that. All right, so what's in store today? Rise of assisted intelligence. Right? We will talk about assisted intelligence. We will talk about data-driven decision making when it comes to running an educational institution, streamlining operations, and also look at how we could make use of the streamlining of the process to personalized learning, the support that we can give to individual learners. And then we will talk about assessments, evaluation, and the effect of streamlining not just the processes, not just the lesson plan, not just the timetable, but also the assessments and evaluation. All right, so that is what we're going to cover. So before we start, I want to talk about a small news article, or a news, not article, sorry, a news item that has come up in News Australia. It's been some time back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play this video. Right? It's important that we set the context here. Right? So allow me a minute to get to sharing the screen and play the video. All right. Yes. So the future of AI is already here. And we'll see what these guys have covered as part of their implementation of AI in the classroom. All right, so let me just play this.
Artificial intelligence is hitting Queensland classrooms. In the hands of children, it could be detrimental for their learning, but for teachers, it could be a game changer. Computers, planning lessons, and potentially one day marking students' work, saving hours every week.
It's long been feared what artificial intelligence could do when it hits our classrooms. But now it's well and truly here, and we're being told AI could actually be the key to success in schools.
We create tasks, activities, resources.
A lesson already learned at Brisbane's St Oliver Plunkett Primary.
It saves so much time for our teachers, which means that they can do what teaching is about, engaging and teaching and being with the students.
The Productivity Commission has found in 2023, full-time teachers spent an average of 15 hours a week preparing lessons and marking. One trial finding AI could cut that in half, saving 9.5 hours a week worth of admin. The tech also making standardised curriculums easier to understand.
You could start with a class example that was about sailing and say, rewrite this example for a class that have never seen the ocean.
The states and territories are at different stages when it comes to using AI in public schools. New South Wales and South Australia have tools available for all teachers, something Queensland and WA are still developing. Victoria only provides guidance to teachers about AI, while in Tasmania and the territories, AI isn't yet allowed in schools. The federal government being pushed to streamline the process.
What are the most effective tools? There should be collaboration to buy those tools and make them available to schools.
But not everyone is convinced. The Australian Education Union saying teachers want a significant cut in their administration workloads, not just offloading it to AI, calling instead for real action to end the teacher shortages.
Okay, nevertheless, the crux of the matter here is that it helps in reducing close to 15 hours of my time, right? 15 hours a week. So what I'll do is I will share this link with you folks. Take a look at it. It brings in a different perspective to all of us. So here you go. The link is available. 15 hours a week is quite a lot of time. And what would you do with these saved hours? What would you do with this saved time? You would naturally spend this much time with the students. And that's your primary job. अगर आप students के साथ time spend नहीं करोगे, तो कहाँ करोगे? एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव काम तो है ही, बट अगर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव काम में मुझे एआई की मदद मिल जाए तो द सेव्ड टाइम आई कैन probably spend it on creating something new as experiential learning, or maybe a new project or a new assignment or a new team activity for my students. Right, so 15 hours a week is not less. Now, how do I get to make use of AI to save these 15 hours? Let's see. India में 15 नहीं, ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है.